Maybach music.
I apologize, I don't recollect your.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You're about to see how I got this hairstyle. So without further ado, let's get into this video on how I do this simple and cute hairstyle. So I'm starting off with 4-day curls, and as you see, my curls aren't really as refreshed as they should be. I'm going to start by taking a rat tail comb and parting my hair down the middle. Next, I'm going to part my hair straight down. So taking a clip, I'm just going to clip my hair up and move that out the way, and I'm basically going to do the same thing to the other side as well. So afterwards, this is how my whole entire head looks. I find this way easier than just doing it all at once. So again, I'm just going to move and tie my hair out the way so I can work with the front. So starting off with my hair, I just parted a small section and I just freestyled with this part. I didn't really want it as perfect, but again, I did want a small section. I took my spray bottle and I went ahead and I applied some water on the section along with some Eco Styling gel, and I'm just going to apply this at the beginning of my hair where I'm going to start my braid at. So now I'm just going to brush that through, and I'm going to take my rat tail comb and part a small section so that I can start my braid. So taking this strand of hair, I'm simply going to part it in 3 small sections, and I'm going to start forming a French braid. This is simple. All you do is start off as a regular braid, and you want to add and pull smaller sections of hair into a braid in order to form that braid. I'm not sure if you guys understood me that well on the explanation. I did try to explain it the best as possible, but this is what I'm doing here. If you're looking for a better explanation, I'm pretty sure there's tutorials on YouTube on how to French braid and that go more into detail. But again, this is basically what I'm doing right here. So once I'm done adding sections of hair onto my braid, I'm going to just continue onto doing a regular braid. And I'm going to finish up by taking a rubber band and tying that around. So I basically do the same process all over the top of my hair. So again, parting my hair, and like I said, I'm just freestyling with these parts. They're not really meant to be that perfect. Adding water on my hair, and then I'm going in with some Eco Styling gel. And then again, I'm gonna brush it through and part it. And then again, I'm just gonna split my hair into 3 sections, and I am going to start a regular braid. And after I have my regular braid started, I'm gonna want to add and pull smaller section of hair into a braid in order to form the entire braid. So I'm gonna speed everything up, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch through the whole video until I'm done with the top of my head. So now I'm going to go through with a rubber band and tie each section of hair where the French braid stops. If you didn't know, with a French braid, it gets to a certain point where you can't pull hair from the section anymore. And with the other rubber band that I tied at the end of the strand of hair when I was doing my regular braid, I'm gonna just take it out and I'm just going to unbraid it and I'm gonna let it loose. So because I did tie these two strands of braids together, I decided that I wanted to do them separately like my other pieces of braids. So I'm just gonna take the rubber band out and I'm just going to redo this braid as you see here because I just wanted it all to be separate. So again, I'm gonna go in with adding new rubber bands and taking out my old ones. Okay, so now I'm going to go in by refreshing my hair. By the way, I do have a video on this, so I'll put it up somewhere in this video around this time. But I'm going to go in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner and a spray bottle and refresh my hair, so boom. And then I'm going to take some Aunt Jackie's Ice Curl Gel, and I'm just going to apply this to the end of my hair. In the old video that I have of refreshing my curls, it is two different types of gels, but either way, both of them are still gels. So finally, after 10 years of getting the edge brush, now I'm just playing. I'm gonna go in with my edge brush and I'm gonna apply some Eco Styling gel and I'm just gonna do my edges like I normally would. So this is the final look of how the edges came out. Alright, so now I'm going to take this diffuser and I'm just going to diffuse my curls. So while I do diffuse, I do scrunch up my hair in the process as I go. Alright, now that I'm finally done diffusing my hair, this is how it looks. And I'm just going to go in and make sure that everything is tightened up. And now I'm going to use my pick to pick up my hair. After I was done picking my hair, I did end up and doing a half up, half down with this hairstyle. Now it's up to you if you want to leave it just how it is or if you want to do some type of hairstyle with it. Now for me, I did decide to do a half up, half down hairstyle because I thought it looked cuter like this. But again, it would be totally up to you if you were ever to try this hairstyle. So this is how the whole entire hairstyle came out after putting it up in a half up, half down, and also being done with it. Alright y'all, so that's pretty much it for the end of this video. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.